Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to create a look using the new Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Vault. This palette is Ring the Alarm. This look I just created randomly off the top of my head. I just really wanted to use this palette so badly. It's my favorite one out of all of them, looking at all the colors. This one has the nicest colors to me. So I know it's pretty fall-y, but you know what? Why not? So if you want to see how to create this golden reddy brown cut crease, keep on watching. So I have some foundation on my eyelids already. I'm just gonna set that quickly using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake powder in banana bread. And I'm gonna use this on this Huda Beauty face bake and blend brush. It's got two sides and I'm gonna use the fluffy side. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Morphe by Jaclyn Hill's new Vault palette, and this one is Ring the Alarm. I'm going to start by using Rush as my transition shade. I'm going to take this shadow on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush, and I'm just going to go nicely. I'm going to take this other clean fluffy brush and just blend out any line that I might have created with that shadow. This brush is by Zarii. There's no number or anything, but it's just a fluffy brush. So next, I'm going to deepen up that crease using Mugshot on this Morphe something brush. This is the brush that doesn't have a name. It's just a fluffy crease brush. I'm also just going to deepen up this outer V a little bit because we're going to put a darker brown in there once this look is closer to being done. I'm going to take a little bit more of a Rush and blend these two together. So now I'm just going to deepen up that crease a little tiny bit more with Secret, and I'm going to be applying this with this Makeup Forever 218 blending brush. And I'm going to make sure this is blended out by putting more Mugshot right above it. Making sure these two blend well together. And then some Rush right above that. Lastly, blend it all out with your clean fluffy brush. So next, I'm just going to cut the very inner corner crease using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Warm Natural Stick Foundation on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 Flat Concealer brush. Just going to go right on the inside. I'm going to set this foundation using that same Huda Beauty powder in banana bread. I'm going to use a smaller brush to do that, and this one is Morphe's S12. So I'm gonna go over the first half of my lid using On Camera. And I'm gonna blend that into Balm ASS. I don't like to swear, so I am a child. Anyway, I'm just gonna use that same concealer brush. I'm gonna wipe off all my concealer. And then I'm gonna use that same brush to get On Camera onto my lid. I'm gonna use my finger for the first little bit because it's being difficult. I'm going to use another concealer brush. This one is Makeup Forever's 174. I'm going to blend that red right into the brown. I just want this to be kind of hidden, like not too much. Then I'm just going to go over that with Secret and blend it all in. Now I'm just going to put some shadow in my under eye, and I'm just going to be using that mugshot right on the lash line. I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush, by the way. Just smudge that down a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with Secret, the dark brown. And really focus this on the outer half. Still staying close to the lash line. Now I'm just going to go in with that clean fluffy brush that I've been using and just pulling those two out. Now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, and today I'm actually going to use a brown eyeliner. And this one is by Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Tarteist. I'm the worst at pronouncing things. Brown double take liner. I'm going to be using the liquid side. I'm going to do a wing liner. Lastly, for the eyes, we're just going to put on some lashes, and I'm going to be using Velour lashes in Dreamgirl. The packaging looks like this. So lastly, for the eyes, I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to be using Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So now quickly for my face, I'm going to be doing my bronzer, and I'm going to be using Morphe's Highlight and Contour Palette. This is the 8H Hi-Fi. And I'm going to warm up my face with Debutant and Velour, these two mixed. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe Rose Gold brush. So I'm going to use just Velour to contour my nose. I'm just going to go really lightly. Next, I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'm going to be using Morphe's blush palette. This is the Cool Pro 8C palette, and I'm going to be going in with Queen. And lastly for my face, I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to go back into that contour highlight palette, and I'm going to be using Big Bang. I'll be taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. So next I'm going to highlight my nose using this A25 brush. I'm also going to quickly pop this in my inner corner using my pinky. Alright, now finally we're going to do some lips. And I'm going to be using Patrick Starr's by MAC Retro Matte in Ultimate Diva. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Hopefully you guys want to recreate it, and maybe it'll inspire some of you to create your own looks based off this one. Color scheme, I don't know. Honestly, I'm seriously loving this look. I will wear it forever. I do not want to take this one off. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.